Hey guys, my name is Ian Duncan and welcome back to my channel. I do app tutorials and app reviews, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and let's get into it. Today I'm going to show you 10 Instagram settings that you probably didn't know of. These settings will make your life on Instagram much easier and it will make it even better. So maybe you know some of them and maybe some of them you don't know. So stay till the end of the video to learn some of this. Let's get into the first one. The first one is that, did you know that if you want to switch from your Instagram profile, you really don't have to go all the way to your profile then switch all over again. All you have to do is double tap this icon over here, double tap, and it will switch over to the other account. This applies if you have two accounts. Let's get into the second one. The second one is you can retrieve a story that you posted way longer ago, even years ago, on your Instagram. All you have to do is go to your profile, then click the top right icon over here, click it, and then you'll see a setting called archive. Click the archive icon. Then as you can see, you'll find a whole range of pictures that you deleted. You can also go at the top and choose stories archive, and over here you'll find a lot of stories from your Instagram that you posted way from when you started posting on Instagram. The third one is, did you know that you can also hide some words from your comment section, from your direct messages? Any word that you feel that isn't comfortable from you can hide it. All you have to do is go to your profile, go to settings, then go to privacy. You'll find an option called hidden words. Then go all the way down to where it's written manage custom word list. Then when you go there, you click the add to list button and you can pretty much write any word that you want and it will be hidden from your direct messages or comment section. You can adjust this by clicking these buttons over here, hide from comments or hide from message requests. The fourth setting is, if you have a lot of people who you follow, Instagram has a way of identifying those who you have least interacted with. All you have to do is go to your profile, then go to following, then you'll find this category written least interacted with. Yeah, when you click there are usually 50 accounts and you can choose what to do with them. You can unfollow them or maybe tell them to interact more with you. And by the way, you can also interact with me by subscribing to my channel. It will really help out the channel and help me grow the channel. Let's go to the fifth thing. The fifth thing is that, did you know that you can get a whole range of photos that you've ever liked on Instagram? Maybe you need this because there's a post that you saw and you needed to refer to it and you can't quite find it, or maybe you forgot the profile name. All you have to do is go to your profile, go to settings, then click on account, then scroll all the way down to this part where it's written posts you've liked. When you click on this, you'll find a whole collection of posts that you have ever liked from like this. There are so many from ever since you joined Instagram, and you can also categorize them to see them in this form, and you can just scroll down if you want to see them. The seventh thing that you need to know is just at the same area. This will help you find posts that you deleted on Instagram and maybe you need to see them because you didn't archive them. All you have to do is just go to settings, then go to account, just where the post you've liked button was there. Just click on it and you'll find your post that you've ever deleted, from reels, from post, everything that you've ever deleted, you'll find it there. And these usually last from 30 days from when you posted, from when you deleted them, and after 30 days you won't be able to see them anymore. The seventh thing that you need to know is about auto replies. Have you ever DM'd somebody, then automatically you see them reply with a whole large text and you wonder, have they just typed all that right there? But anyway, you can easily do this by going to settings, then going to creator. And by the way, this only works with professional accounts. If your account is personal, it won't have this setting. Just switch your account to professional account, then go over to creator. When you go to creator, you'll find save replies and you'll find two options. The first one is the shortcut to your message. And this shortcut, you can basically type any letter that you want. If I just put the letter A over here, and at the message section I just type anything. I've just written my name is Ian Duncan and you should subscribe to me, and I just have to save it. Just take somebody and I want to reply with that message. I just have to type the letter A and it will bring this option, the little message icon, and if I click on it, it will bring in the whole message. And this pretty much saves a lot of time. The eighth thing that you need to know is about limits. And you can do this either two ways. You can either limit accounts that don't follow you and maybe you feel like they are mistreating you or they are just spam accounts. You can just go to settings, then go to privacy, then you'll find this option called limits. When you go there, you'll click continue, then you'll turn on accounts that aren't following you, or maybe recent followers, maybe somebody who has just followed you, and you can set a time range from when you want to limit them. Mine is set to 1 week, and pretty much when you turn on, those accounts won't be able to reach you. The 9th thing that you need to know, I already did a video about this, but it's about minimum age. You can pretty much restrict the age that view your account, and you can do this by going to the creator option. And again, this only works if your account is a professional account. Just go to your account, then click on minimum age, and I explain it better in my video, and I'll link the video down in the description, and everything will be explained so much better. And lastly, you can hide your activity status. This means that you can hide if you're online on IG, and you can do this by following the steps here. And pretty much if you have a stalker, you don't maybe want anybody to see if you're online, you can pretty much do this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Hero.